Hi friends, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and since St. Patrick's Day is around the corner, I decided to make this month's doodling video inspired by St. Patrick's Day. So if you're looking to add some leprechauns, pots of gold, shamrocks, and lucky 4-leaf clovers, you are in luck. Pun intended, this video is for you. So follow along with me with this doodling video. I also have a tracing doodling sheet if it is easier for you to follow along with me. And if you watch until the end of this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can have access to it. I think adding doodles to your bullet journal just helps you be more creative, and it is definitely a mindful practice. And also you'll be surprised. You think you can doodle, but you just need to know the basic shapes, which I'm pretty sure you can do a circle, and then you are gonna be building up on it. So don't be afraid to try these doodles. Now let me know in the comments what kind of doodles you would like to see for next month. I'm thinking maybe, since it is Easter, something Easter related. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, because I really love doing these doodling videos. It's definitely something different than lettering and calligraphy, but I also think that it complements each other and it just builds up on the creativity. So make sure you let me know in the comments if you like these doodling videos and what kind of videos you would like to see, as well as if you would like to see more workbooks with like the step-by-step process. Also, once I pick a theme for the doodling video, I do a little bit of research and then I do the sketch in pencil, and then in the video I just go over with the monoline pens, which I'm gonna put my favorite pens in the description, so make sure you check that out if you want to know what kind of pens I'm using. I was also thinking that maybe one of the doodling videos could be me sketching the doodles. So if you would like to see the process of me just doing the sketches instead of just going over with the monoline pen, let me know in the comments as well, because I love listening to you guys' feedback, and that's how I go about, making my videos better. My goal is to help you become more creative by following simple step-by-step tutorials. So yeah, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. as promised at the beginning, you can find the traceable doodle sheet on my blog at vialdesigns.com/March doodles. And if you want lettering ideas for your March bullet journal, make sure you check this video next, because in it I show you 5 different creative ways to letter March, and as well as some super fun techniques that you need to try. I'll see you there.